What's up, everybody? My name is Jarrett. Are you a European car owner that's afraid of scratching your wheels when taking them on and off? If so, we got a solution for you. So what you guys need is a wheel hanger. This is a very simple product that screws into your hub and allows you to actually rest your wheel onto this hanger and then slide it onto your hub. If you don't have these, there's a very good chance that your wheel is going to slide onto this hub section and fall right off of it and possibly scratch the wheel or your brake rotor, which is something that no enthusiast ever wants to happen on their car. One important feature of our wheel hangers is that they were designed to be intentionally long. You're gonna ask, why did we do this? Most wheel hangers in the marketplace are very short. When you're trying to use a short wheel hanger with a wide wheel, you're gonna have a great chance of scratching the inner barrel of your wheel on your rotor because it's hard to find this when you're setting that big of a wheel onto your car. These are longer so that you can set your wheel onto it without your barrel of your wheel actually hitting the rotor, and then you can slide it on. This is a really important feature behind our wheel hangers, and it's why we have over a 5-inch dimension from here to here for you guys with wider wheels. We intentionally made our wheel hangers from aluminum because we want them to last. There's a lot of plastic wheel hangers in the marketplace, and two critical things will happen with those. One is you'll wear out the threads after repeated use. The other is plastic wheel hangers tend to sag. Some wheels are heavy, and as you rest that wheel on a hanger that's this long, it'll droop and your wheel can actually slide and fall off of that, which is something that nobody wants. We want to make sure that you guys have a safe wheel installation during this process, which is why we include 2 wheel hangers in our kit. So why do we do that? This is what can happen. If you use one wheel hanger on your wheel and you set your wheel in here, it'll do that. It'll drop and your barrel will smash up against your brake rotor. Not good. What we suggest doing is using 2 wheel hangers during installation. With 2 wheel hangers on your car, it evenly distributes the load to this rotor, giving it less of a chance to rotate, making your wheels that much safer. We also integrated a really key feature into the front of our wheel hangers, and that is a T40 Torx drive feature. Why you need this is because sometimes this wheel hanger can get stuck in this hub, and there you are trying to get this out and not able to if you don't have a way of actually loosening it up. So we supply this kit with a T40 Torx driver, insert in the front, unscrew your wheel hanger. Simple as that, but it's a nice security feature to make sure you can get your wheel hangers out of your hub. We want you guys to stay organized in your car. That's why our wheel hanger kit comes with a hard case, 2 wheel hangers, and also your T40 Torx tool. We make these wheel hangers for almost every European vehicle application. It all depends on this rear thread size here. We have them in M12 by 1.5, M14 by 1.25, and M14 by 1.5. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time, enjoy the drive.